Hello, my name is Bill McRae. I am the developer of the WP Traffic program. And what WP Traffic is, it's kind of like a soup, if you will. And sometimes you got to chop the carrots and the potatoes and the beef and add the beef stock and mix it all together and stew it to make a beautiful soup. And that's kind of like what WP Traffic is. WP Traffic is actually a collection of tools that I used going all the way back to 2002. Of course, it's evolved a lot over the last 18 years. But back then in 2002, I started my own e-commerce business selling guitars. You can see some of my toys on the wall. I got very, very good at generating traffic. Things changed a lot since 2002. We developed, over that course period, 2008, I started a software company, and we developed tools for blogging and tools for attracting traffic through SEO. And things have changed and gotten more and more complex, and everybody has their magic pill solutions, and they last for a little while. They do and don't work, and when they don't work anymore, then it's over with. What WP Traffic is, it's a plugin you stick into a WordPress blog. And that plugin contains the access to other plugins that, when used in conjunction, the way we train you how to do it, will allow you to attract traffic to your blog, not through search engine optimization, but through other methods. And it allows you to capture that traffic in a couple different ways so that you can potentially reach back out to the visitors to your site and get them to come back and buy something from you. That's the beauty of WP Traffic. Is most traffic comes to your website is gone in less than 30 seconds, and they never remember who you are. By using this plugin, you're going to have a couple really cool tools added to it that will allow you to be able to reach back out to those very same visitors. They don't even need to know that they ever visited your site. They did, otherwise we wouldn't be able to reach out back to them. But once you're able to reach back out to them, you can do what's called remarketing and other forms of very inexpensive advertising to get them back to your site so that you can sell them. But we also have some other free tools built into there that will allow you to send message to them if they decide to accept your push notifications. It's a great piece of software, and it encapsulates all the things that really work. And this can be used in any WordPress blog. We build it into our professional site builder. Because we understand that building a site is really cool. You got a beautiful site, and nothing's going to happen unless you make it happen. So this is what WP Traffic does for you. You can register, download it, install it for free, and watch the training videos. Because if you actually do some work, and it takes very little work, you'll be able to attract people to your site from all sorts of sources, and then be able to find that traffic wherever they go and promote to them again. This is how you start building a brand. This is how you start getting return visitors. And as you start getting those return visitors, they will start to take advantage of whatever opportunities you want to share with them. It's got nothing to do with email marketing. It's a very straightforward, white hat, legitimate system that's actually used by thousands, or I should say hundreds of thousands of marketers online. Now, why I created WP Traffic is everybody has a piece of this, but nobody quite puts it all together and really trains people how to use it. So we put the soup together for you. All you need to do is upload and install the plugin in your blog and start using it the way it's designed to be used, and then you'll be able to reach out to those people that come to your sites, like 100% of them if you want, and say, hey, remember me? It's time for you to come back and take a look at what we have to offer. So it's powerful in that way, and we give the plugin away for free. Now, why am I doing that? I just honestly, we developed it, and it really what it is a link to a bunch of other plugins that, when used in the right combination, will give you extraordinary results. So you're not only going to get the plugin for free, we're going to give you a bunch of training on how to use it so that you can attract and then remarket to the people who have already been to your site. So enjoy the plugin, watch all the training videos, then make a plan. I'm going to use these components of this system, and then once I start using it, you'll start seeing that, oh my God, I'm building a following that I can market to in a constructive way and actually help generate income for you. Now, this is designed for anyone with a blog. It's not designed for MLMs or any of that junk, but it's great for products like ClickBank or even list generation type of things. So thank you for looking at the WP Traffic plugin. We're ready to show you how to use it.